Recording.
Well, I don't have anything to report yet.
Well, tell me what this is.
It's a big old McIntosh receiver, stereo receiver.
Everybody loves McIntosh.
Don't know the model number. It's a 4100.
So how much is this puppy worth?
I have no idea. Customer says the phono preamp doesn't work, and I'm taking their word for it, but I'm going to have to pull up the schematic on it, see where the preamp is.
Look at those power transistors.
Oh, this thing's built in America.
Uh-huh. They're still selling them. Not this model.
They're still in business.
Yeah.
Oh, they're still very much in business, but this is really high-end stuff.
Look at how they sealed this IF amplifier.
They make
the tuner.
They make exquisite tuners.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Really, 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 really good. I mean, this sucker's built.
Surprising is something's wrong with it.
Metal output transistors, heat sinks. It's not done anymore. Plug-in ICs. Hasn't been done in years. So, anyway, that's job number 3 today, I guess.
So what's the matter with it?
Phono preamp doesn't work, they say.
Mm-hmm.
I got to hook it up and find out if that's really true. I used to take them apart first and then check them out. I always clean them up while I've got them here. Rule number 1, use your line amp meter when you plug in anything. Where's your power switch? Right there. All right. Boom. Okay. Idling wattage is about where it should be. About 2.5 tenths of an amp. Not bad. If there's anything subtly wrong, the idle current will be too high. And if you turn one on and it pins the needle, turn it off until you find what the problem is. And while you're working on one, watch this thing, because if you do something stupid, ampage runs up, shut her down. But this one appears to be normal. Well, we got speaker 1, 2, 3, 4. Common left, common right. Okay. Speaker 1. Too many buttons. Okay. Where's the speaker select switch? Right there. Okay. Tuner works. Then we go up here and get our handy dandy generator. Put it down to -60, somewhere in the audio tone range. And we go down here to phono 1. And they would be right. Nothing. Not a thing. I thought they were crazy, but nope, they're right. Phono doesn't work. I know you're able. It's got a multi-band equalizer with knobs. And you kicked over my motor soaking jar. That's what I put motors in with lacquer thinner to soften up the bushings. Thank God it's empty. So I'll go pull up the schematic in a minute and see where the preamp is.
We'll call this part 1,
Yeah.
and then you'll tell us what happened when we get it fixed.
I'll report when I find it, yes.
And we can talk about what you did.
Yeah.
Okay, Paul.